Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious meat pie with yeast. First, let's get our dough started. Begin by activating 7 grams of active dry yeast in 1/2 cup of warm water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Next, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Now, add the yeast mixture, 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 egg to your flour. Mix everything well, then knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Once your dough is kneaded, place it in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes or until it has doubled in size. While the dough is rising, prepare your savory filling. Brown 1 pound of ground beef or lamb with 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Be sure to drain any excess fat. Then, stir in 1/2 cup of beef broth, 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley, and your favorite seasonings for a rich flavor. Now that your dough has risen and your filling is ready, it's time to assemble your pie. Divide the dough into 2 portions with 1 piece slightly larger for the bottom crust. Roll out the larger portion to fit a 9-inch pie dish, ensuring there's a slight overhang. Spoon your cooled meat filling evenly into the dough-lined dish. Next, roll out the second dough portion for the top crust. Carefully place it over the filling and crimp the edges to seal the pie securely. You're almost there. To finish, cut a few small slits into the top crust of your pie. This allows steam to escape while baking. For a beautiful golden brown finish, brush the top with 1 beaten egg. Now, bake your meat pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the crust is perfectly golden. Once baked, let the pie cool for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade yeast meat pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.